Celebrities are no more happy with just doing the ad campaigns for the brands. They want to own the brands. It's interesting how many celebrities in India have become investors and even started their own businesses as startup founders. Some of these startups stand out because these celebrity startups focus on solving problems in our society. Let's look at some of the rising celebrity entrepreneurs. Sonu Sood. Sonu Sood is famous for his philanthropy and now he's channeling his goodwill into entrepreneurship. In July 2020, he launched Pravasi Rojgar, a job portal for migrant workers in collaboration with Schoolnet India. The startup secured 250 crore in funding from Temasek Holding backed Good Worker. Sood also launched the AI-enabled social media app Explorer in 2022, which picked up 4.5 million in series, a funding led by Affle India Limited earlier this year. Additionally, Sood turned investor in 2020 through his company Sood Informatics LLP, acquiring shares in rural fintech firm Spice Money and becoming its brand ambassador and non-executive board member. Deepika Padukone. Deepika Padukone started out early as an investor in the Indian startup scene. She showed interest in space tech startup Bellatrix Aerospace and electric ride-hailing platform Plusmart. In 2021, the Pathaan actress leapt into entrepreneurship by founding the personal care brand 82E with Jigar Shah. The brand focuses on skincare products and includes a separate line for men called 82E Man. In December 2022, the brand raised 7.5 million in seed funding. Padukone has also invested in startups like Epigamia, Furlenco, Atomberg, Mokobara and Nua. Alia Bhatt. The Razi actress launched Edamama, a kids wear brand in 2020, funding it entirely on her own. The brand sells online and offline through various channels like Lifestyle and Shoppers Stop. In 2023, Reliance Retail Ventures Limited acquired a majority stake in Edamama. Apart from this, Bhatt also invested in platforms like Stylecracker, Fool and Nykaa. Hrithik Roshan. Hrithik Roshan became an entrepreneur way back in 2013 by launching his lifestyle brand HRX, which sells a range of products like sportswear, footwear, casual wear and accessories. In 2016, Myntra acquired a 51% stake in HRX. Over time, HRX expanded into selling gym equipment and wearables. In 2017, HRX partnered with CultFit to launch a celebrity-designed workout regime across cult centers in India. Katrina Kaif. Katrina Kaif entered the beauty and personal care industry with the launch of K-Beauty in 2019. The brand offers a range of makeup products like hydrating foundation, creme blush, liquid highlighter, lip oils and gloss. In 2020, Kaif invested in Nykaa through a secondary transaction, making K-Beauty an in-house brand of the beauty and personal major. Nykaa now holds a 51% stake in K-Beauty with expectation of generating 200 crore from the brand. Priyanka Chopra Jonas. Back in 2021, Priyanka Chopra Jonas introduced her haircare brand Anomaly, initially targeting the US market. The brand's range includes dry shampoos, regular shampoos, hair masks and conditioners. They were first sold through Target stores in the US. In 2022, Anomaly partnered with Nykaa for an exclusive launch in India. It is now available on Nykaa, Amazon and Flipkart. Besides her entrepreneurial ventures, Chopra Jonas has been an investor since 2018, supporting US-based startups like Holberton School and dating app Bumble. Rakul Preet Singh. Rakul entered the startup world in 2021 by launching Starring You, a talent discovery platform similar to LinkedIn, with her brother Aman Preet Singh. The app connects aspiring talent with industry professionals in the entertainment field and has garnered over 10,000 downloads on Google Play Store. Singh also co-founded Newboo in 2023, a D2C startup focused on safe and eco-friendly baby care products like reusable diapers. Additionally, she invested in Wellbeing Nutrition in 2022 and serves as the startup brand's ambassador. Shraddha Kapoor. Shraddha Kapoor, known for her on-screen roles adorned with heavy jewelry, leapt into entrepreneurship earlier this year by becoming a co-founder of Pune-based jewelry startup Palmonas in March 2024. Founded in 2021 by Pallavi Mohadikar and Amol Patwari, Palmona offers affordable premium quality jewelry including necklaces, rings, bracelets and earrings priced between 800 to 5000 with a 1-year warranty. Kapoor's involvement aims to leverage her popularity to expand Palmona's reach, including launching a collection called Shraddha's Stack. MS Dhoni. The former Indian cricket team captain MS Dhoni is the brand ambassador and partial owner of the lifestyle brand Seven, launched in 2016. He is also a regular startup investor, with investments in over 8 Indian startups including brands like HomeLane and Cars24. In 2012, Dhoni founded SportsFit World Private Limited, a gym chain in India. Recently, in April 2024, he became an equity investor in EV startup eMotorrad, which sells electric cycles for daily commuting and casual rides, and also serves as its brand ambassador. Deepak Chahar. Cricketer Deepak Chahar entered the startup world with Trade Fantasy Game, a fantasy gaming platform co-founded by his wife Jaya Chahar. They invested 10 crores in the parent entity JCDC Sports Private Limited in 2022. TFG aims to attract 1 million users by the end of this year and challenges giants like Dream11 and Mobile Premier League. Chahar also owns D9 Sports, a sportswear brand launched in 2023 with an investment of 2.5 crores selling products online. With that being said, India's booming startups aren't just for business school graduates anymore. Cricketers, actors and other celebrities are taking advantage of growing startup ecosystem. Have you tried any of these celebrity-owned brands? Let us know in the comment section what's your opinion of them. This is Leena signing off.